your bitch. A silver spoon, I know you come from your bitch.
70,000 last
And that's
month.
a lifestyle that we never knew. Go at a rapping for the revenue. Hollyberry, or hallelujah. Pick your poison, tell me what you do.
Oh, technically.
Everybody go respect the shooter, but the one in front of the gun lives forever.
The one in front of the gun forever.
$22 million in 3 fucking hours!
Just to say, money trees is the perfect place for shade, and that's just how I feel. Nah, $8 might just fucking main bitch. That's just how I feel. Nah, $8 might say fuck them niggas that you game with. That's just how I feel. Nah, $8 might just make that lane switch. That's just